Charlie, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
That was so funny.
Okay, bud? All right.
Safe.